It's a Kodak moment. Got Kodak in this bitch. Yeah. Low fish. I just executive run. I just hit a bad bitch run. I just bought a new AP. About to get the bad bitch one. Nigga like the new Jay-Z. Pockets all fat, big pun. I been going too crazy. Hit a famous hoe, which one? Yeah. Ain't no stopping me. Talk on the net, don't apply to me. I can't be with these rat niggas. I know my dog gon' slide for me. All that talk, that's cat, nigga. Y'all be sounding like cops to me. Land on the jet with a Mac, nigga. Bust down, ain't no robbing me. I don't want my old bitch back. Shit, damn, but I still wanna fuck. I be overloaded with the drip. Shit might spill in my cup. I can't fuck with these niggas, but I still sending my love. I ain't got track no more. I'ma just give them my plug.
What is up, guys? Jared here, back with another video. Today we're actually at Fredo's house. You know, the E92 that's on bags. This thing is sick. I love the carbon. I love the carbon. But yeah, so we're actually heading out to a car meet here that's local to us. It's actually in Concord, North Carolina, and we about to be lit. Look who came out. Sheesh.
Don't come to me about no room. My pocket got a tumor. Every day I keep a ruler. Just me, I don't need no shooter. Don't come to me about no mess. Won't beef, I'm saying less. That ain't nothing to get you wet. Make a movie on your set.
Benji on Benji. Keeping my hoes in that Fendi. Whipping that roll like a Hemi. Face down, smearing that Fenty. Niggas, they always got something to say. See them, it's nothing to talk about. Catch you and you try to stun in the club. You get smoked in the parking lot.
You guys already know I had to get a Red Bull. It's just it. It's just it. We got the Apple Stoppers. No. God.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the.
Alright guys, we're back after getting pulled over. I hate that feeling. I freaking hate it so much. Anyways, let's keep the video rolling. Let's keep it vlogging. Let's fucking go. Black on black. Fucks with it. I like the colorway. Looks clean. Oof. With the red interior. I love the seats in this car. The colorway on it is amazing.
My dad gonna be mad at
This is where you make bad financial decisions. Look, they got everything you need. Oh my goodness. No. What size is this? It's a 450. Bro, what? Remember when I had my YZ 450? But this seat is fire. I like this seat. Guys, what if I got a Polaris? Oh my goodness. This thing looks crazy. LED bar in the front. Oh my god. I want one so bad. Slingshot? What if we cambered a slingshot? Oh my goodness. The fitment would be crazy. I know, but if you think about it, look, this is bigger right here. Mine isn't that big. This is definitely bigger.
Honestly, I think I like the older ones. I really like this.
That is sweet. That's sweet, for sure.
Go ahead.
Look at the tension, bro.
Oh my god.
What? you got this, my guy. You got it. He got it. He got it. Come on, Eli. Bro, you're right there, cuz. Oh my God, he got it. All the way down, bro.
Fuck up your wheels, fuck it. You got it, Mr. 5K. You got it, Mr. 5K.
You got it, bro. You got it.
You only got 5.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, you're good. Let's go.
You're good, bro. Go, 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 go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yes, sir. Bro.
Get someone on the back. Get someone on the back. Get someone on the back. No buttons. No buttons. Oh, we gonna do it. I don't know what you better stop! Stop! Hey, someone sit on the center of the hood. Ethan! Get your big ass on the hood! There you go. Drift it on there. Is he open? Yes, sir! Have you seen yourself lately?
It's not Eli. Go.
Look at that air pro. You got it!
Come on, bro. Hey, extra, come on, bro. That's too much, bro. That's too much, bro. RC car went. Now, why we out in the back way?
Are you mad because you lost, bro?
You have bad grip, man.
Look at this thing. This thing is crazy. I like that grip. Pretty cool. It's a motorcycle jet ski. Which is crazy. There are a crazy amount of cars out here right now. It's looking crazy. Look at this Honda. That color right there on the valve cover. That's a nice color. Alright guys, and we is out. Let's start this though.
Cutthroat business, little dog, your throat slit. My nigga went flawed, you don't think that I know yet. I'm lit like a pool, I say water, my roll it. I peel the fool for nothing. If I send a blitz, you forget, bro, you getting hit stick, yo. SG slide and climb, you know that I real spit. You know that I real spit. I be damn by.
Yes, sir, Chick-fil-A. Alright guys, so we finally made it home. This is actually where I'm at in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that subscribe button. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. Let's get it and stay blessed.